Welcome to video 2 of Teaching a Workspace. We're going to pick up right from where we left off. We've taught our work coordinate system using the 3-point method. So let's jump into TSAssist and actually show you how to use that workspace. So I've got TSAssist open. We're going to create a new solution. We'll just call it Workspace. And I'll put that in my training folder here. We're going to create a new project. The robot that we are using is the TVL 700 with TSL 3100 controller, and we'll call this our example. Now, at this point, I'm just going to change my connection information so I can connect to the robot in my demo cell. We'll connect to the controller. Now that we're connected, we can grab that program we've already created on the Teach Pendant. We'll go File, Send. And here's our program, WRK. That's the program that's in the controller. We're going to send that to the working folder of our example project. We can disconnect. And we can see there's our file, WRK. So we'll start our editor. We'll open that file. And we can see under the coordinate data, there's our W1 that we taught. There's our workspace that we taught. From here, we can create a very simple program. Let's do a move P1 with work equals W1 and move P2 with work equals W1. Now, what are P1 and P2? Right now, there's no points taught. If we look at the boxes, you can see I have 2 points marked on the box. Point 1 has the coordinates of 70 on the X and 70 on the Y. And point 2 is 120 millimeters on the X and 70 millimeters on the Y. So let's go ahead and add those 2 points to our program. P1 has 70 and 70. P2 has 120 and 70. We can save that program, do a quick syntax check. Everything is okay. We'll close that. We'll exit the editor. We can now connect to our controller again. And now we want to send that file to our controller. So we'll do File, Send. From the project folder example, we're going to send it from our working folder back to the robot controller. We're going to overwrite everything. And the file is now transferred to the robot. We'll disconnect and go ahead and switch over to video 3 to see how we can run and test this from the Teach Pendant.